ya ensa eyemo kurwase county ya Kisii anene kurwase kenyoro kia Nyamataro nigobona ababwatani kurwase kiombe ya FIFA kubwaterana amone kiombe kia Nyamataro unity community banyarakoba weso kilitukolia lero nagotarera chinga gusira omwana enyaruka wetera soko enana ebitamba byogo chero nabo igokubasibe bali babwate chinda na koenana amaliogo na kwenekia nabanyarakoba kwenyorera ebikorote baranyarako bako bitumia anene chinga kibune chichogo chengera omuyega bwesu kuba kwana manegeta seni kia Ndizi TV nigo babwatani abo igwanyarako bako boria okobwatera na kwabere no gusirwa kurwase abarai ao ime county ya Kisii nabo igo ekoboria ebyombe biri bitali bya serikali binyarako bigwe sona na kwenekia unabyanyarako bigo sira ekyombe kelinde kenyarako bigo ikirania chira chiabo echokwenekia buna banyarako bogo sanga na goikirania magani ao ochia saba menyeme county ya Kisii Frida Kerubo na nyarakoba gago sanga amona babotani abana gotwariganira orobotiro kubwatia
ababwatani nigo bagendete gwesoke bene na gusira omwana munyaruka unenchere yemo yo gusiria obutaka litkolia rero Nyamataro Unity Community Health Promoters kubwaterana no muchaki w'ikyombe gya fifi nigo baikirana ase location ya Nyabururu asomorobele bokwena na ebitamba byo bochenu nabo igogo sibia abalene chinda
rero ntwabwate action day yo gusibi chinda na abana baiseke kwayega mangana salary travels na kufundishwa buna bako menya buna bali rusa buna ba twara gosemera kuja chinga kichya bose ngi bago chakaba twara challenges chinyinge chira ase chifamilia chinyinge buna bona abana basiri ntwabwate chibalire chinda na ndi negwe to monto ya mogote banganda nchiri Gusii ngagete mwalire ya bararia buna chinda chiarenga iga chinyinge na twatemere gusibya
gusanga no muchaki w'ikyombe kyo Dafin Kemunto nigaene kebuna obotaka no boboirere omwana munyaruka konyora malito agengyo nabo igogotiga eskuru ekyo kyabaire omonguso na gotwara okogania kugosira omwana munyaruka boigonigo airabuna obotaka na boboirere chinda gotoka asorgongo rwa Gusii.
The many cases of jiggers, the reason we decided to choose Nyamataro, and also number of young girls who are dropping for school due to early pregnancies. We believe poverty is one of the reasons why we are having, things like jiggers.
Magega yo morobelio yo nigo community health promoters baenekia gotarira chinka na koenekia obochenu bwekerengo keigoromono eligokora chinda.
Chifamilia chiga tadira litanga ni twa kolire ko batarira. We are doing to fanta abarenge 62. Aga kujibataka 62 ntwa asibetie chinda St Joseph Nyaburu primary dokora mata iga tokasibe school ya Kanunda twakachiri school twabasibya lakini tokanyana switch school ntuko bakira bonse tokora twimbo cyabo unabona bali bande mwarora twaje family cyabo twasibiri twomire cyimbo cyabo so twapungusire kurubarenge 62 kwarabona bategera abantange 15.
Boigoni go bairera emichando bagwetera iligwikirania omorobelio yo asibabolia ogosira kurasa babwatani
It's a very big challenge, I can say. It's not an easy task. What maybe we can do, we are just appealing for more, help, assistance, more sponsors to come on board to help these families. The government, our leaders, organizations, they can do the CSR activities. Through that, I believe that we're going to help these families.
Abarai nigo baboli gwegosira abokonyora gwense elyogonchereria amagimabo.
Abarai inara gusabanga challenge abantu mbabwato ubutaka mbarororo ndiyo ko ngunta bagede suti lakini kutaka mwe ngundana watu butaka genda asakorara abana baiga mbabwati no bangete bago isibya bako ibisia none yanga bakobeka kwara imwana binde binyaroka byarengaria none yange yenke mbabugati lakini bona iga abantu bari ko kesuku ngora no mugabana simba ngo wara amasie lakini taraikera bana bona baiga ose bakwana enkolinga tiga mugabana simba ari ya ba MCA ababaye mbamanyete abantu kuchinsa ali bacandegete babali nona kasugu nona bosi abamo abana bari banyana bosi baliye ngosi kwara balense pi mbali kwenyara ose bakwana ngoli tebakonyo gaki
chinga kecho boigo nigo Dafin agokera obukoleri bwa community health promoters asekirenga gyo gukora chinda asagania eserikali kobasira.
Believe what they have been trained to do how to do this jiggers cleaning. They're really, as long as the government also support them, empowers them, I believe that they're going to eradicate jiggers issues in our community.
Frida Kerubo, Ndizi TV.